How to get streaks on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily get streaks on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So as you guys know, TikTok has recently brought out a new feature where you can have streaks with your friends or someone you chat with on TikTok. Just like on Snapchat, where you have to send each other snaps or exchange snaps every day to maintain your streaks or create a streak, you just have to do the same thing on TikTok by sharing pictures or videos. So let's see how you can do it. The first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. All you have to do is tap on the share button and then simply share this video to someone on TikTok. So as you can see here, I'm going to send this to this person right here. And then from here, what happens is if they send you back something or a text on your inbox, then you'll be able to create a streak. So as you can see here, if I just tap on the streak right here, the streak is 156 days, and you also have this streak pet that you could name. And yeah, that's how you easily create a streak on Snap TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.